Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Corner, where learning English is practical, friendly, and perfect for everyday situations. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello, Emily. And hello to all our listeners, especially renters and newcomers who sometimes need to talk to their landlord about apartment problems.
Yes, Paul. Today's episode is Complain to Your Landlord in English, Rent, Repairs, and Apartment Issues.
We'll teach you how to explain problems clearly, request repairs politely, and follow up firmly when needed.
Let's start with how to report a problem. You can say, "There's a leak in my bathroom." "The heater isn't working." "The sink is blocked." Or, "My window won't close properly."
The landlord might ask, "When did this start? How bad is it?" Or, "Can you send me a picture?"
When you need a repair, you can say, "Could you please arrange for a repair?" "When can someone come to fix it?" "This needs urgent attention." Or, "Can we schedule a maintenance visit?"
And the landlord may reply, "I'll send a handyman tomorrow. Let me check my schedule." Or, "I'll get back to you soon."
If the issue is about rent, you can say, "I'd like to discuss my rent. Can you explain the rent increase?" "I need a few extra days to pay." Or, "I already paid. Here's my receipt."
The landlord might say, "Thank you for letting me know. The increase starts next month." Or, "Please pay by the deadline."
For building issues, you can say, "My neighbors are very noisy." "The hallway light is broken." "The main door doesn't lock." Or, "There's garbage in the stairway."
And a landlord may reply, "I'll talk to the tenants. We'll fix the door." Or, "Thank you for reporting this."
Sometimes landlords delay repairs. Here are polite but firm follow-up phrases. "I'd like to follow up on my repair request." "This issue is getting worse." "Is there an update?" Or, "When should I expect someone to come?"
These show you're serious while staying respectful.
Practice dialogue. Paul as landlord.
"Hi, what seems to be the problem?"
"Hi, the heater isn't working and my apartment is very cold."
"I'm sorry about that. When did it stop working?"
"Last night. Could you please send someone to fix it?"
"Yes, I'll arrange for a repair today."
"Thank you. I really appreciate it."
Another example,
"Hello, I'd like to follow up on my leaking sink repair."
"Yes, the plumber will come tomorrow morning,
"Great. Could you confirm the time?"
around 10 a.m.
Talking to your landlord doesn't have to be stressful. Just be polite, clear, and firm when needed.
Exactly. Thanks for joining us today on Mr. English Corner.
See you next time, and good luck with your apartment issues.